evening, teachers and friends. Today I'm gonna make a photo frame about me and my family. So now let's start. Cardboard, pencil, ruler, circle ruler, and we have scissors, and also paper, and another stick here. My brother's coloring it. Say hi. So now let's start. Measure them. I forgot. I didn't measure. Already cut a photo, and this is the scratch they're going to put in this one. Now it's time to paint. So let's take red color first. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, let's pour it in, but not too much, okay? Is this enough? Yes. Good. Okay. Good. So I will color the whole thing red. It's just paint. Don't be scared. Now we have a flower, a white paint. Then we pour the white down on the paper. Okay. Enough. Now we dip the flower in the paint. Have you done this in your kindergarten? I have done this before. Okay. Ready? That. So now it's done. Now we are gonna continue that in 4 pieces. We cut in small pieces, and we already also cut into big pieces. So now we are gonna arrange them like this. Then we need to decorate a little bit more. Here's the now let's put the stand. That's a big part. Stand, we never use this glue because it's not too strong, so we use the hot glue. So now we have a glittery heart shape. Next on this glittery pink. this has